All right, I'm going to do my very best to try to fit them onto these graphs. So each of these you gotta start by putting your function into y equals. Okay, press y equals, type in 4x minus 2. And then we're going to need to make a table of values x, y. So I'll give you some time to type that in if you haven't already, as a reminder to get to the table. Second graph. Right now we're ignoring that there is anything else on the screen. I do have these tips in here on each page for the different functions about what's important and helpful for any different type of function that you're graphing. So I know that you are going to have access to all points possible on here, from negative 100, 200, up to positive 100, 200, 300, but obviously we can't fit all of those onto the graph. So only graph numbers that fit. In this case, I suggest between -5 and 5. This one will go between up to, it looks like 7 and -7 in both directions, okay? So pay attention to 7s. You're going to skip anything that's a decimal. It's not really going to hurt us on the first one. And we do only need 2 points for a line. So if there's only, 2 or 3 that are going to fit on your graph, it's fine if you only graph those 2 and 3. And then we're going to make sure that we put arrows on the end. Lines continue forever in both directions, so we need to indicate that they do. Okay. So if we're staying between 7 and -7, I know if I look at, let's see, -2 goes to -10, we can't do that guy. But we can do -1, -6. We can do 0, -2, 1, 2, and 2, 6. Okay, we could fit all 4 of those. Again, you don't need 4, but why not? Okay. You have the points. Now where do they go? Okay, x-axis and your y-axis. Okay. -1, -6. I'm going over to -1, down 2, 3, 4, 5, -6. That is not too bad. Okay. That's that guy. We'll do them in different colors so you can see each of them. Now we have 0, -2. Remember 0, stay there. Then go down -1, -2. +1, +2. Starting in the middle, go over to +1, then up to 2. And let's do this red for 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. Touch my blue guy a little. But if you notice, what do you know? They're all on a line. Ooh, and then connect them. This is only going to let me get so straight, but do your best. And I will point something out. Let's say I graphed 2, 6 wrong. Let's say I put it at 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. Those don't even look like a line. Don't do something like this to make it fit. Lines are straight in any direction. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of all of this guy so we can start graphing. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. Another gentle reminder, if you don't remember how to do fractions. Alpha y equals, enter. And it is a negative, not a subtract. So you're getting that typed into y equals. And go into your table again. Again, hopefully you have a little bit more space than I do. Now this is going to come into play here. Skip points that are decimals or fractions. No offense, but 98% of you aren't going to put a fraction in the right place on the coordinate plane. A good 20% of you struggle to put whole numbers on the coordinate plane. We don't need them because there's plenty of other points that are going to fit. So skip them. For example, let's see. I know you've got 0, 2, and then 1. It's going to say maybe 3/2. I don't want it. Go right to 2, 1, 4, 0, 6, -1. And obviously there's other stuff you could have done up in here too. Okay. And then again, we worry about graphing them. I will do each of these in the same color this time. All right, let's start with 0, 2. 0 stay in the middle. Go up to 2. That guy's good. 2, 1. Over to 2. Up to 1. Okay, let's do 4, 0. Over to 4. Ooh. And then 6, -1. Last, connect them as best you can and put some arrows on it.